Yo, what's up YouTube? So today heading out to Smith Road to check out the new track setup for the year. I wasn't really able to get to ride it all last year, so we're going to give it a go this year. My pit bike's going to be sitting. We're not taking that. We're going to be taking the Thump Star because, again, the rear swing arm is cracked right there. So this is going to be sitting, but we're about to go pick up my truck from the shop right now. And then we're going to go get my bike loaded up, get Nick's bike loaded up, and then we'll be headed out there. But I got my V-dub all loaded down, ready to go. So just got to Nick's house, got the bikes all loaded up in the back of my truck. I know you guys haven't seen my truck in a while, so I guess I could give you guys a little walk around of everything I got done to it. It's a 1997, for those who don't know, a 1997 Nissan pickup. D21, just a regular 4-cylinder, but this rear bumper is actually off of a Nissan Frontier, but it bolts up to the older hard bodies pretty nice, so I ended up getting that paint matched. It was chrome, so that turned out really good. I got a new bed on it. Mine was all rotted out before, there wasn't even any saving it, so I just ended up throwing a whole new bed on it. New doors, my doors were rotted out. I got all the rust inside fixed. There was big holes all down in here and everything. You couldn't even tell that I got it done. But new fenders, paint match bumper. What that was chrome too. Nick's Psycho Dog. And then wheels I already had on it. Those are just a set of 16x8 method race wheels with a set of 32.5s. Max's tires. And yeah, so that's a walk around on my truck. Everything I got done to it. I know the last time I think I posted a video, it had the bed off of it. So this came a long way. It's good to drive now. So that's gonna be my rig from now on. But got my Thump Star all loaded up. Ready to rip. It's over there. But anyways, about to head out to Smith Road. Catch you guys once we get back to the track. Alright, so we got here about maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. Started riding, unloaded all of our stuff and everything, and then it started raining, so I didn't get any GoPro clips, and now it stopped raining and it looks perfectly fine out. So we loaded all of our bikes back up already, so we're unloading them right now. But about to go head out. I'll slap on the GoPro so I can get some laps in on the GoPro, and that'll be that.